we are creating a label for my sister's great-grandson. It's actually stitching really nicely. The fun I used is already made for embroidery, so it looks like it's going to stitch really nicely. We shall see. First time I've done label, an embroidered label on this machine.
Like I wrote that.
Robin.
No, that's neat.
Creating art. We're doing hugs and kisses, X's and O's. As you can see here, we have Robin's name on there. Great grandma's name. The G is for great. And this is the next word we're writing. Susan, huh? Yeah, this is so beautiful. We did 3 hats also.
Oh, wow.
And they were so thrilled. My son and his girlfriend, Melissa, were so thrilled. Now, writing out Susan, right here. This is the back of the embroidery, and as you can tell, I used tearaway to back it for the stabilizing on this embroidery. Doesn't look like much on that side, does it? But here it is. Now to press it and get it ready to put it on the baby quilt for Robin's great-grandson, Wyatt. And he's going to be born in August, I think, right around the 23rd of August.
Johnny's birthday.
Yeah. And so, anyway, Robin chose the green and the yellow because that would be great-grandma's colors, favorite colors. So she chose the green and the yellow for Grandma Mabel, who raised us kids from the time I was, I think, 6 years old, 7 years old.
What? Sewing?
So, but anyway, my grandma loved green and yellow.